Guys, welcome to another amazing training. So we are going to be looking into the direct sales. I showed you earlier about the webinars and I told you that that's one funnel. So what I'm doing now is all those funnels that I taught you, I am now putting them into practical so you can see how the application of the things that you were taught under funnels. So first things first, you come to facebook.com/ads manager and you try to set up a direct sales ad. Now let me tell you a bit of instruction about direct sales ads. Number one, listen very well. When there are no engagement on your post or when there are no comment on the post you are using to run the ad, people are not triggered to buy. That's the truth I want to tell you now so you can know, right? So don't just go and set up one dry ad and expect sales. So if the product you are selling is between 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, even 5,000, people see a lot of comments, they see a lot of likes, they are moved, they are like, whoa, this ad is doing well. Oh, this person knows what she's doing. Oh, people are moved by the numbers. Oh. So I'm still going to teach you a strategy that you understand. But at first, let's set up a direct sales ad. So click on sales and click on continue. So manual sales, continue. All right. So we are moving. So as usual, all of the things that you're expected to do them. So message destination websites. So it's going to be websites. So you must have opened a seller account because you want to receive payments across African countries. So maximize number of conversion. That's what you need. So leave it. Then it talks about pixels. So because there's no pixel, many of you guys are going to have an error because there's no pixel on your account. So you have to set up a pixel. So how do you create pixels? The first thing is to go to events, right? Event manager, right here on the dashboard. Somewhere at the end, can you see it? And then you click on connect data. You're going to see a lot of links here. But before then, data sources. So we already have a pixel here. The pixel has not done anything yet. That's why it's looking like this. So this link you can see here, the ID 30247947. This code here needs to be copied because this is the code we are going to use when we get to Selar, right? This 302479, this code. Go back to Selar. So where's Selar? You go back to Selar. Seller is right here. So once you get to Seller, you have to Seller and log in and click on this menu button. Scroll down, integration, Facebook Pixel, and then scroll down and put the link of the pixel. So the link is the name, the number, I mean 302, the ID 479 4743 153 47. Once you're done with that, update pixel. So the moment you do that, you're going to have a link here, right here, that is clickable. Right, this is business.com/event manager/pixel. So this link is important. Just copy it. Copy link text. Find a notepad. and keep it there. Right. So remember the link that we were given, this link. When we clicked on it, it brought us here. I'm using Kiwi browser and Chrome together. So once it's not working, I use Kiwi browser. So I'll just copy that link and put it here and open website. So what you're going to notice now is the fact that the pixel has been well put together. So we're through with that part. So we've tested the event. And if you remember, the event we tested is this link that we were given. This one. I'm doing this clearly so that you can understand perfectly. So I've done that once again. All right. So guess we're through with that. While waiting for that, let's go to creating custom conversion. The reason for custom conversion is because you may have a lot of products that you're trying to sell. It's not just one product. So each product would have its own custom conversion. So I'll just name this, say parenting PT. All right. Data source VD, correct. Oh, sorry. Custom conversion VD. Website or URL link, that's correct. URL contains. Now, there's something about the products that you did earlier. Notice that there's a link here that says receipts. So just copy the keyword here, receipt. The thank you page when you bought your products. The final link that you are given, receipts. Copy the receipt, come back here and put the receipt here. So the moment you have done that, add click on plus. Then it's time to now add the direct product link itself. So there is a product code for every product on Seller. How can you get that? So just go back to Seller. So say this is the product, this is the product we're trying to. This was not the product. There was a particular product that we changed the price. Okay, yeah. So come down to all products. So the product that I changed its price was this one. So I'll click on edit and I'll scroll down to advanced. Is there anything like that? Advanced option. So we're going to see product code. So this is the product code. Copy the product code and go back to your browser. Go back to your custom conversion and add it there. Paste. So yeah, all URL traffic. Yes. Name. VD. Okay, you know what the product is. Let's say parenting. PT. Intimacy. INT as an example. So we're done. Just click on create. And so your custom conversion event VD has been created. So we're still going to check back if our test event will be active. So let's see if it is active. Our test event is not active yet. So we're being asked to up to 30 minutes before it shows. So we are going to wait. I'm trying to see how we can make this test event show up. So what we can do is to go to our seller link, the seller link of the product itself that we did all of those stuff on. So this is the seller link. So I'm trying to bring it back here to see if that can be seen. So paste test event. So right here, I also try to, okay, this is even on, okay, this is for another product. Sorry, this is a major product. This one, copy link text. So I'll come down here. create, test event. So test event seller.com, you can see that it is active right now. So there was no purchase made. So it's active. So this is receiving activity from seller. So we are good. Let me see if we can still test another event. Right. So the moment you are through with that, just go ahead and set up a sales objective ad like this one. This account already had some issues. That's why these errors are here. So click on create, new sales campaign, click on continue. So this is the point where you want to use what you have created. So it's a campaign. Conversion is website. Conversion is website. And then maximize number of conversion. The picture is showing its name. Conversion event is the event you created earlier, the custom event. So because of the problem with this account, I could not do that. So purchase is what I would have advised that you use. So once you're done, do all your setup, the creative part and everything, and let it go live.